Hi everyone, I am Tanuja and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Tanu. I am making this video just for those learners who have this complaint like they can understand English but they are not able to speak. I think it's a complaint from many learners. They are able to understand but they are not able to speak by their mouth. You know why this happens? For example, if you are listening any videos and you are just grasping the things, you are understanding those videos and you are focusing only on understanding what other people are saying, but you are not speaking by your mouth. You are just thinking in your head that you would be able to speak when you are seeing to other people, but it doesn't work like that. You have to speak by your mouth. Until and unless you are not speaking by yourself, then you can't complain like this, like I'm not able to speak. And I think it used to happen with me also in my initial days. I used to think like that I can understand what other people are saying, and any kind of question if they are asking, so I can understand, but I was not able to give the answer. Why? Because I was not practicing in that way. I was not speaking by my mouth. I had the I had this kind of answer in my head, like yes, if someone is asking me like where are you from, like that, I'm just taking the simple example. So I can say that I am from Bhopal, like that, but I'm not speaking before that, and I'm not trying to practice like that. Like yes, I have to speak. So that's why you are not able to speak, because you are not practicing it. So what you have to do, if you are listening any kind of videos, or if you are reading, so if for example if you are reading, so just try to speak aloud. If you will speak aloud, then automatically you would be habitual of speaking any kind of sentences. If you are reading and if you are speaking loudly by your mouth, so that time you would be able to grasp the things, like yes, you have to speak in that way, and what could be the pronunciation of that word, and what could be the meaning, and how I can speak. And for example, if you are listening any videos, so not only you have to understand the other people, you have to give the answer also, and you have to prepare accordingly. So whenever you are listening any video, just try to speak by your mouth, speak loudly, and just try to imitate those sentences if you are listening any kind of podcast or any kind of English content. It, and that is the main problem with many people, because they have this complaint because they are not able to speak because of their lack of practice. If you will decide that you have to speak by your mouth anyhow, and yes, in the initial days everyone makes mistakes. Even I was doing lot of mistakes in my time, because I was not speaking and I was not practicing. But when I am doing this kind of practice on the regular basis, now I have reduced my mistakes also, and I am able to speak. Yes, I'm not saying that I am very much fluent in this language, uh, but yes, I would be in one day, because I'm practicing it regularly, so definitely I can become. So you have to prepare your mind that you have to speak in English language, and just give at least 15 to 20 minutes regularly, and you will see a changes in yourself, and definitely you would be able to speak. Because I can totally relate. I was kind of introvert person and I was not speaking a single sentence in English language, but now I can speak, because I have been practicing English for last 1 year. So I can say that if you would practice in that way, then definitely you would be able to speak, and you won't complain like that, that I can understand it, I can't speak. I think this tips will helpful for you all if you are struggling for this, that you can understand, because we are just focusing on understanding the thing, and if you are reading and writing, so you are just focusing on these things, but you are not practicing. That is the main drawback for you, that you are not practicing. So just prepare your mind that you have to speak in English, not only in your head, just speak aloud. Whatever things you are doing, like any kind of listening, any kind of reading, you have to speak by your mouth. That would helpful for you, because that is the only thing that you can do to be able to speak in English language. And yes, if you have any kind of like question and issues like how we should start and what are the things we should learn first, then definitely I will help you. You can write in the comment section also. And yes, if you want to do any kind of conversation with me also, so I would be ready to help you. And yeah, in this video that was enough. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day.